Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about maths and the topic name, multiplying numbers. So last class we saw about order of numbers in multiplication. So today we are going to learn about find and write the multiplication tables of 6, 7, 8 and 9. First we have to know about 6 table. Say for example, how many legs does an ant have? How can we find the number of legs of 3 ants? Look at this. An ant has 6 legs. To find the number of legs of 3 ants, we have to add 6 3 times. That means 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal to 18. The multiple sentence is 3 ants into 6 legs. So each ant has 6 legs. So 3 into 6 equal to 3 6 are 18. To multiply, we can add the same number repeatedly. Multiplication is the same as repeated addition. Look at this. There are 2 rows of 6 things. Therefore, there are 12 things altogether. Look at the next thing. 6 rows and 2 columns. So, how can we write the multiplication sentence? 6 into 2 equal to 12. So, repeated addition is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 12. And the next is 4 rows of 6. So 4 rows of 6, that means 4 6 are 24. Okay, next we can also skip count by 7 to find the table of 7. 2 into 7 means that there are 2 rows of 7 things each. So there are 14 things in total. And I give you one more example. There are 7 books on a bookshelf. How many books can be put on 4 cells? What is the multiplication sentence? Yes, totally 20 books can be put on 4 shelves. So we can write this as 4 shelves, 7 books in each shelf. So 4 sevens are 28. So in that 28 books can be put on 4 shelves. In this way, we have to calculate the multiples of 7s. And next we have to know about the tables of 8. Say for example, how many corners does this room have? How can you quickly count the total number of corners in all the rooms of a building? Yes, there are 8 corners in a room, 4 on the floor and 4 on the ceiling. To find the total number of corners, we can repeatedly add 8 as many times as the number of rooms. We can write the multiplication table of 8. We can also skip count by 8, write the multiplication table of 8. So look at this. We just add repeatedly 8, we get the table of 8. Look at one example. How many rows and columns in this picture? Is 8 columns and 6 rows. So 6 rows of 8 columns. So the answer is 6 8s are 48. Look at the next picture. 2 rows of 8 columns. So the answer is 2 8s are 16. Next we have to learn about table of 9. Similarly, we can write the multiplication table of 9 by repeatedly adding 9 or by skip counting by 9. Now I give you one more example. Look at the picture. How many rows and columns? So here 8 rows, 9 columns. So what is the answer? 8 into 9. That means 8 9s are 72. Look at the next example. How many rows and columns here? Shall we count it? Yes. So here 9 rows and 5 columns. So what is the answer? 9 5s are 45. So students, you have to write a multiple sentence using the terms of rows and columns, and you have to find out the tables of 6, 7, 8 and also 9. Okay, I hope you all understood this topic. Thank you.